Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Dear kids, let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, purple color, light green color, orange color, yellow color, dark green color, violet color, pink color, red color, black color, brown color, and dark blue color. Let's draw 2D shapes. Here we have a decagon, 10 sides, square, oval shape, heart, pentagon, and parallelogram. Decagon, square, oval shape, heart, pentagon, parallelogram. Let's color these shapes. Orange color, orange color, decagon, brown color, brown color, square, light green color, light green color, oval shape, dark blue color, dark blue color, heart, red color, red color, pentagon, violet color, violet color, parallelogram. Let's revise these shapes. Decagon, square, oval shape, heart, pentagon, parallelogram. Dear kids, do the same practice, like this video, share it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.